Farewell to surface scratching. The SALI SDS rotary hammer carves out efficiency with drilling action. Precision focused, enabling rapid fragmentation and detachment. Let trenching and wiring achieve perfect synchronization. Powerful brushless lithium power follows you deep into every corner. Robust performance needs no cord. In tight spots, like door frames and beam bases, the SALI SDS rotary hammer removes only the excess, preserving structural integrity. SALI demolition hammer, the core demolition force for heavy-duty projects. 65A point drill, 65A flat drill, converges all energy at the drill tip. Fast, like a bunker buster, instant penetration, pinpoint disintegration. Accuracy ensures every impact is a perfect replica of the last, until it drills through the hardest core. All-around capability begins with equal mastery over stone and brick. SALI rotary hammer smashes through hardness like splitting bamboo. For power tool accessories, choose SALI. Cut, grind, polish, drill, do it all.